At this point, I've cut the plastic for the side of the vacuum table, and now I need to align the top with the sides to make sure they don't overlap and create a leak. The caulking that I'm using is definitely bad. It's chunky, it's a little old. That's what I have in stock at the time. So yeah, new caulking would definitely have helped here. Difficult to stick. It's just really bad. But anyway, after putting the caulking at the right spots, I'm going to be using the vacuum itself to hold the plastic in place. This is polycarbonate. It didn't need to be polycarbonate, that's what I had in stock. At this point, I'm just turning on the vacuum to hold the piece and then put the other pieces that are missing. And after that, the vacuum table is going to be finished. There are still a few things to do on the CNC to bring it up to speed. One of them is to start and stop the motor with the software. This has to do with the motor drive. I will be using Linux CNC and PWM to change the speed of the router. And after that, I will probably work on the automatic tool changer, because this machine or this router is able to do automatic tool changing. It's just that it's not set up for that at the moment. So this will add good value to the machine. There are more videos to come, so please subscribe.